Hello everyone! In this Delft Stack video I'm going to show you how to silence notifications on your iPhone. Whether you want to stop notifications from a specific app, enable silent mode, or turn on Do Not Disturb, this guide will walk you through all the methods step by step. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section contains all notification settings for your device. When you open Notifications, scroll down and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Each app can send notifications, alerts, sounds, and badges depending on its settings. If you want to silence notifications from a specific app, simply tap on that app from the list. Inside the app's notification settings, you'll see an option called Allow Notifications at the top. To completely stop notifications from that app, tap the toggle next to Allow Notifications to turn it off. Once disabled, that app will no longer send notification alerts, banners, sounds, or lock screen notifications. For example, if you no longer want notifications from a social media app, a game, or any other application, simply open its notification settings and disable Allow Notifications. You can repeat this process for any app that you want to silence. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel Delft Stack for more easy-to-follow iPhone guides and tech tutorials. Now let's look at another method. This is a powerful option called Do Not Disturb. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Focus option and tap on it. You'll see several focus modes available, including Do Not Disturb. Tap on Do Not Disturb to activate it. Once enabled, your iPhone will silence most notifications, calls, and alerts based on your focus settings. This is especially useful when you're sleeping, working, studying, attending meetings, or simply need uninterrupted time. You can also customize Do Not Disturb by going to Settings and then tapping Focus. Inside the focus settings, you can choose which people and apps are allowed to send notifications while Do Not Disturb is active. This gives you more control over what can reach you and what gets silenced. You can even schedule Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically during certain times of the day. This means your iPhone can automatically silence notifications every night during work hours or whenever you choose. Another useful option is creating custom focus modes for different situations such as work, personal, sleep, or study. Each focus mode can have its own notification rules and settings. This allows you to stay focused without completely disabling notifications permanently. To summarize, there are main ways to silence notifications on. Choose the method that works best for your situation and enjoy a quieter, less distracting iPhone experience. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to subscribe to the channel Delft Stack for more iPhone tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.